Choosing the best mirrorless camera in 2025 can be overwhelming with so many amazing options available. Whether you're into photography, videography, or content creation, having the right camera can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 mirrorless cameras that offer the best image quality, performance, and features to suit different needs and budgets. Make sure to watch till the end to find the perfect camera for you. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tech updates. Now, let's get started. Number 5, Sony Alpha A6700. The Sony Alpha A6700 is a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera that blends high-end features with a compact design, making it an excellent choice for photographers and videographers. It features a 26MP BSI CMOS sensor, delivering impressive image quality with rich details and dynamic range. The Bionz XR processor enhances speed and low-light performance, ensuring crisp shots even in challenging conditions. Autofocus is a standout feature, boasting AI-driven subject tracking and 759 phase detection points, making it ideal for wildlife, portraits, and action photography. The 4K 120 frames per second video recording with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording provides cinematic footage, while the 5-axis in-body stabilization ensures smooth results. The camera's compact build and fully articulating touchscreen make it a versatile tool for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is decent, but heavy video usage drains it quickly. Despite its single UHS 2 card slot, the A6700 is a fantastic hybrid camera for enthusiasts and professionals who need top-tier performance in a portable package. Number 4, Fujifilm X-T50. The Fujifilm X-T50 is a compact mirrorless camera that strikes a perfect balance between vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. Featuring a 40.2MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, it delivers outstanding image quality with excellent color reproduction and dynamic range. The camera is equipped with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, up to 7 stops, ensuring sharper handheld shots and smoother video recording. One of its standout features is the intuitive control layout, with tactile dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, appealing to photography enthusiasts who appreciate manual control. The advanced autofocus system, with 425 phase detection points, provides fast and accurate focusing, even in low light. Additionally, Fujifilm's beloved film simulations add a creative touch straight out of the camera. However, the X-T50 lacks weather sealing and uses the older NPW126S battery, which may limit battery life. Despite these drawbacks, its compact size, premium build, and impressive performance make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. Number 3, Sony ZV-E10 II. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a highly capable mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers and content creators. It features a 26MP APS-C BSI CMOS sensor, delivering sharp images with improved low-light performance. The upgraded autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points, ensuring fast and precise subject tracking. For video, the ZV-E10 II now supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 color, making it a powerful tool for creators who need high-quality footage. The Vari-Angle touchscreen allows for flexible shooting angles, while the built-in 3-capsule microphone and included windscreen enhance audio recording. Battery life has been extended with the larger NPFZ100 battery, allowing longer shooting sessions. However, the camera lacks in-body image stabilization, IBIS, relying on lens-based or digital stabilization. It also does not include a mechanical shutter, which may limit its capabilities for high-speed photography. Overall, the ZV-E10 II is an excellent choice for vloggers seeking a lightweight yet powerful camera. Number 2, Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100VI is the latest addition to the X100 series, blending classic aesthetics with modern technology. It features a 40.2MP X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with rich colors and sharp details. The biggest upgrade is the inclusion of 6-stop in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which improves handheld shooting, especially in low-light conditions. The 23mm f/2 fixed lens, 35mm full-frame equivalent, remains a standout, offering excellent sharpness and beautiful rendering. The hybrid optical electronic viewfinder allows photographers to switch between an optical experience and a digital preview. Fujifilm's film simulations, including the new Reala Ace, add a creative touch straight out of the camera. For video users, 6K recording is now available, providing high-resolution footage. However, the autofocus, while improved, still lags behind some competitors in tricky lighting. The fixed lens may also limit versatility for those used to interchangeable lenses. Overall, the X106 is a premium compact camera that excels in street photography and travel, offering a blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge performance. Number 1. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed for content creators, vloggers, and beginner photographers. It features a 24.2MP APS-C sensor and Canon's RF lens mount, offering excellent image quality and versatility. With uncropped 4K 30p video oversampled from 6K and full HD 120p slow motion, the R50 is a great option for video enthusiasts. One of its standout features is the dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which provides fast and accurate autofocus with subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. The Variangle touchscreen makes vlogging and selfies easy, while the electronic viewfinder, EVF, offers a more traditional shooting experience. For connectivity, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless sharing and remote control. The lack of in-body stabilization and a single UHSI card slot might be drawbacks for some, but the strong autofocus, lightweight design, and excellent video capabilities make the EOS R50 a solid choice for beginners and content creators looking for an affordable, high-quality mirrorless camera. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best mirrorless camera of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite camera or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.